how to create a Kanban board in Microsoft Whiteboard. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Kanban board on Microsoft Whiteboard. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft Whiteboard. So you can do this both on the web version and the application version of Microsoft Whiteboard. Go ahead and click on More Options at the bottom of your screen and select Templates from here. Now, on the template section, search for Kanban and you'll be able to find this Kanban board. You can go ahead and click on Use this template and select the area where you want to place it. So this is how a Kanban board basically looks like. So to recreate it yourself, you can go ahead and start with the text section first, and then the sections, and then the notes. So you can find all of that items that you'll need on your Kanban board on your tools section. So as you can see, you'll be able to start with a table first if you want to start with that, and then place the notes inside the table, and then place a label above the table, and then place a text section above it to serve as a title for your Kanban board. So make this template as a basis of your creation of your own Kanban board. You can also use this Kanban board template as your Kanban board and then fill in all of the information that you need to fill in on your Kanban board. You can also collaborate with your friends on your Kanban board by clicking on Share at the top right of your screen and enabling a shareable link. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.